Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Giving you an update on the progress of the roof. Here we are at Masjid Muhammad on the roof. This 13,000 square foot building. As you can see, we repaired all of the difficult parts where the rain was coming in heavy. Half of the roof is already laid out. We just have to do the drainage portion. All of the things under the air conditioning and heating units, they're sealed. Everything is nice. We have 2 more to go on this roof. We're now continuing to go forward with the second half of the roof. And the Musalla, inshallah, within the next 2 days will be completely covered, inshallah. We're still laying out, putting the torch down on the roof. It's good. Now what we have on the second half of the project is the whole community room. So this whole thing has to be done. What you see is almost 1.5 times the size of the Musalla. So we have all this work to do. We have to remove it, put new wood down, new rubber, and coat it. So inshallah, make dua. We appreciate your contributions, and let's get to work in this cold weather.